Are you in need of a personal loan to maybe start a business? Guess what? You are in luck. I got a treat for you today. Let's get right to it and right to the requirements. All right, so before we get started, go ahead and press that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell notification. This is the place for business funding, business loans, and now personal loans to start a business, right? So let's talk about what the requirements are. All right. So this business funding, okay, it's like a personal loan. So you can use your personal checking account as one of the qualifications. Okay, most of the business funding that I offer, the lenders do require that you have a business checking account. All right, but in this instance, all you need is your personal checking account. All right, so the main requirement that already I'm seeing people struggle with is that you do need a 700 credit score, right? So now, say for example, you don't have a 700 credit score. I am going to drop below my credit repair program where you can learn the tricks and the tips that will help you to increase your credit score fast. But say you need the money right now and you don't have time for credit repair. All right. Here's another option. You can actually use a spouse or a mom or a grandma who does have a 700 plus credit score and qualify for the funding. All right, so now let's talk a little bit more though about this credit score. You want to be a strong 700 score, not a struggling 700 score, okay? So you want to be a strong 700. So let's just say you should probably look for someone with a 725 or higher score if they are going to co-sign for you to get this funding. All right. But say you do have the 700 score and you're ready to get started right away. Here's some other things that you might want to think about, consider, and you might need. A plan. That's right. If you want to get a personal loan for startup business funding, have an actual plan. All right. Because, of course, personal funding is a little bit more risky. All of the funding is risky, okay? But if you are getting personal funding, you want to actually have a plan, okay? A plan for this business. And now let's talk about the amount, all right? The amount goes up to $100K, all right? Can you believe that? $100,000. Now, how is the amount determined? The amount is typically determined by the industry, okay? Your experience, knowledge, and history in the industry, things like that. All right. So that sums it up. That is it. Personal loans to start a business is now available. All right. So I will put the information below. Actually, okay, if you're watching the video today, it's not quite ready. So depending on when you see this video, all right, let's just say give me, it'll be available in the next 5 days. So give me a couple days to have everything together. But yes, the personal funding to start a business is here. And I am just finalizing everything. But I was so excited. I had to tell you right now. All right. I couldn't wait. So I'm so excited about this. I know it's going to help a lot of people to finally get their second business or their first business started. All right. So, again, if you learned anything in this video, go ahead and like it. I really appreciate it. It helps with the YouTube algorithm because YouTube won't show our videos if nobody likes it. So I thank you for taking the time today. It's Katina Willis, and hopefully I'll see you at the closing table soon. Closing on a personal loan to start a business. See you next time.